Hello, this is Billy Core from the Nostalgia Mall, and this week's video is going to be kind of a short one. The past week has been really busy for me, and I just haven't had time to make a full proper video for this week, so instead what we're going to do this week is just take a brief look at another piece of boxed vintage computer hardware. I hope everything is still in here. I bought this at the thrift store in Burlington. This is Disk Store 1620 from Seagate hard drive kit. Supposedly inside this box is a 1.6 gigabyte Seagate hard drive along with other accessories, possibly some software as well. Paid $5 for this at the thrift store. This is the hard drive is a model number DS1621A, high performance, fast ATA2 interface, up to 16.6 megabytes per second data transfer, installs in minutes, and a 3-year warranty. A perfect upgrade for multimedia and PC/AT compatible computers. And it's got the design for Windows 95 logo right there. From Seagate, the industry leader. They were back then, but definitely not anymore. I would not recommend you buy a new Seagate drive these days. If you, especially if you really care about your data. Mostly the same thing on the side there. And on the back here, get a closer look. Supposedly that's what all comes in the box. Hope everything's still in there. This won't be much of a video. Pause if you want to read any of this. It does come with software, at least it used to. IBM compatible 286, 386, 486 or Pentium-based PC. Required. And it has a 1996 copyright date, which sounds pretty accurate. Now, I haven't opened this yet. Let's hope everything's still in here so we can have a decent video. Okay. Well, I do see a hard drive in here. Whether it's what originally came in this box, I do not know. And it is a, well, actually we've got a Connor hard drive. Of course, Connor was bought out by Seagate at one point. Now, for the capacity, I do not know. So I don't know if this is original or not. But it says Connor, but this is definitely a Seagate design. And this was back when hard drives had a whole bunch of crazy chips on the back. And a few little goodies in this box here, it appears. It's a shame there's not a videotape in here. Some of these old hard drive kits came with installation videos on tape. Okay, so nothing in there anymore, right in that little pouch. I believe, I'm not sure what these black rails are for, but I'm pretty sure these rails are for mounting the hard drive in a 5 1/4 inch drive bay. And Seagate PB format number 555682, so supposedly this must have been in a Packard Bell at one time, which definitely gets my approval. Looks like a Windows 3.1 era format number as well. Let's see. Installation instructions. So this is pretty cool. I'm glad most of everything seems to be in here. And I doubt I'm probably ever going to use this hard drive since I use CF cards on most of my stuff nowadays, but I bought this mainly just to make a fun little video. Imagine this was probably bought at CompUSA or a place like that. File Pro 2161 cylinder count jumper. That's interesting. So you get disk manager software included. I don't know if that's like a drive overlay utility or some kind of a special Windows program, but anyway, that's there. And technical support services, the Seagate computer bulletin board system. Contact them through fax. And Seagate on CompuServe. Go Seagate. Some random screws. These are actually always good to have. In fact, these mounting brackets may come in handy for future projects of mine. Don't know what yet, but I wonder if these are like standard AT style brackets for like an IBM AT system. Probably not, but that's just a good guess. And the big owner's manual right here. Looks like the software is no longer here, unfortunately. So let's go to page 7 to see what some of these components are. Yep, you get the two types of mounting brackets. At one time there was an IDE cable in here. There's the hard drive which was in there. I don't know if that's what was originally in this box or not. Registration card, the diskette and the installation manual. Diskette and registration card are no longer there. But we still got some good stuff to look at. Shows how to install it in a dual drive setup. It shows how to mount it. So yeah, quite interesting. And an owner's manual is serious when it uses the spiral bound method. And this is dated March 1996. So there's really nothing else to look at. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this brief little video. I'm beginning to think, since this had a Packard Bell format number on here, this probably isn't the original drive, but still cool to see, and still cool to see the other stuff in here as well. And you know what? This is close enough. In fact, I wonder if there's some Packard Bell stuff on this drive. I'll have to hook it up to something sometime and check it out. So, anyway, I guess that'll just about do it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Until next time, this is Billy Core, signing off. Thank you for visiting the Nostalgia Mall. If you liked what you saw, please like, subscribe, and follow me on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. You can also support me on Patreon if you would like. The link to all of these are down below. Until next time, this is Billy Core, signing off.